A healthy garden needs healthy soil. This kit right here should tell me how my soil's doing. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be testing out my soil in my garden. I purchased this kit online and I'm going to try it for the first time. For this first pH test, we'll be filling only the test chamber with the soil. For the next 3 tests, we need to add 1 part soil to 5 parts water in a new clean container. So for the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash tests, we're going to be filling the test and the reference chamber with the solution that we've created and let sit for 30 minutes. Now we want to avoid disturbing the sediment, so anything that's on the bottom there, and we're going to transfer only the liquid. Hold the bottom and twist the top. So my pH levels were great, with an ideal range for my vegetable garden. So now I just finished testing my phosphorus, my nitrogen, and my potash, or my potassium. So here we have nitrogen. You can really see the difference between the test chamber and the reference chamber. The reference chamber has a little bit of murky water, whereas the test chamber is a nice pink. And with this color here, I'm going to have to say it is sufficient, if not surplus, which is great. And we're looking at the phosphorus test as a nice deep blue, which is excellent as it's going to get used throughout the season. And we're adequate, might be a little bit low on potash or potassium. So overall, I'm very pleased with my results. I'm actually quite happy because I just purchased this premium soil and I was very curious to see what the levels were. So now that I know everything is adequate or even a surplus, it's gonna last me until midsummer. So in a couple of months, I'm sure that I'm going to test again and these soil levels will have changed. I'm certain that I'm going to be adding some fertilizer or some compost into the soil. So if you're uncertain if your soil in your garden is good enough for your vegetables or your flowers to give the best growth possible, do a quick test and you'll have your answer. So I hope this helps you out. This was a little fun experiment. I love garden experiments. Thanks so much for watching. See ya.